This video is for anyone building a content business or thinking about making money online through content creation. Let's talk about one of the biggest income streams for creators, sponsorships, and the one critical mistake most creators make when pricing themselves. They don't know how they're being measured. See, most brands aren't just paying for your reach. They're focused on CAC, cost to acquire a customer. That's a performance metric. And here's the truth. If a brand tries to hold you accountable for CAC as a creator, they're doing it wrong. You're not a Facebook ad. You're not even mid-funnel. You're top of the funnel. You build awareness. You create trust. You drive interest. But instant conversions? That's not realistic. And anyone who tells you otherwise doesn't understand how influence works. Now, some marketers get a bit closer. They'll look at CPV, cost per view, or impressions. That's better, but still not the full picture. Because the smartest brands? They know that your value isn't just in numbers. It's in how you deliver the message. Think about it. Your content is both the media and the creative. You've built trust with your audience. You speak their language. You know their pain points. That's way more powerful than a random ad showing up mid-scroll. So, what should you charge? Stop tying your price to conversions you can't control. Instead, base it on your niche. Is it broad, or is it a tight, high-value space? Your engagement. Are people actually listening to you? Your production quality? Is your content polished, clear, and watchable? And most importantly, trust. That's the currency that can't be faked. Now here's the real takeaway. If a brand says, we'll give you bonuses based on how many sales you generate, don't fall for that as your main offer. That's a gamble, not a deal. Charge for the value you bring up front. Because that brand isn't just getting a mention, they're getting access to something they can't buy anywhere else, your influence. If you want a deeper breakdown of how to structure your rates, negotiate confidently, and avoid getting underpaid, drop part 2 in the comments. I'll cover everything step by step. And if you're serious about turning your content into a full business, not just a hustle, hit follow. I'm working on a full series covering the other 3 ways creators get paid and how to stack your income the smart way. See you in the next one.